Since my father is the Akpara, I have agreed to take the medication, and yes, it does interfere. I'm taking Zyprexa and Depakote at the moment, antipsychotic and a mood stabilizer. The Akpara carries the Ofo staff of authority, the highest symbol of authority, showing his connection with the ancestors spiritually. Speaking of spirit, the true American spirit is the Holy Spirit. It is Christian, and it has commonalities with every religion that is true, showing different paths, as you see, shown on the caduceus symbol of Tot, Hermes, and different orders. You need to understand that people like me deserve their rightful place in order for them to know how to snake them in the first place. So the true American spirit is the Holy Spirit, and those who do not have it within and cannot perceive it on the outside are without it and have no chance. Render unto God that which is his. I believe it's Matthew 12 or Mark 12, 13 through 17. I'll have to check about it.